We're going to explain how to fix the no module named cv2 error in Python. This error pops up when your Python code tries to use the OpenCV library, cv2, but Python can't find it. It's a common problem, easily solved if you know the steps. Here's what you need to do. 1. Verify OpenCV. Installation. The most likely reason for this error is that OpenCV isn't installed. Open your terminal or command prompt, depending on your operating system. Type pip show OpenCV Python and hit enter. If OpenCV is installed, you'll see information about its version and location. If you get an error message saying, package OpenCV Python not found, then you need to install it. 2. Installing OpenCV. The easiest way to install OpenCV is using pip, Python's package installer. In your terminal, type pip install OpenCV Python and press enter. This will download and install the necessary files. Make sure you have pip updated. You can do so with pip install. Upgrade pip. If you encounter permission errors, try using pip install, user OpenCV Python. This installs it in your user directory, bypassing potential permission issues. On some systems, especially macOS using Homebrew, you might need to install it using brew install OpenCV4. If you're using Anaconda, open Anaconda prompt, not your regular command prompt, and use conda install cv conda forge OpenCV. After installation, try running your code again. 3. Checking your Python environment. You might have multiple Python installations on your system. Make sure you're installing OpenCV and running your script within the same Python environment. If you use virtual environments, which is highly recommended, activate the correct virtual environment before installing and running your code. If you are unsure which Python interpreter your script uses, you can run which Python on your terminal to check. 4. Path issues. Sometimes, even if OpenCV is installed, Python might not be able to find it because it's not in your system's path environment variable. This is less common with pip installations, but if you installed OpenCV manually, you might need to add its location to your path. How you do this depends on your operating system, but generally involves adding the directory containing the cv2.pyd, Windows, or cv2.so, Linux, macOS, file to your path environment variable. Searching online for add to path your operating system will provide more specific instructions. 5. Restarting your IDE kernel. After installing or making changes to your environment, restart your IDE, like PyCharm, VS Code, or Jupyter Notebook kernel. This ensures that the changes take effect. If you're still having problems, double-check your code for typos in cv2, case sensitive. And ensure the import statement, import cv2, is at the beginning of your script. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the no module named cv2 error and get started with OpenCV. Remember to always work within a virtual environment for better project management and to avoid conflicts between different Python projects.